Okay, I've been fabricating these hubs because basically I can't find any online to purchase. So I decided to fabricate some extra ones and offer them for sale on eBay. And I received some questions regarding why they're made the way they're made. And basically 2 holes are passed through and 2 holes are threaded. And the idea for that is to have a standard part. I also include plastic spacers that allow the set screw to be offset from the gear, so it makes it easier to access and tighten. And let's see if I'll assemble it and try to explain further. So here it is assembled in a 2-bolt configuration. You can see that the threaded holes. Let's see if I can do this without making a fool of myself here. Threaded holes, there's 2 threaded holes there. These are pass-through holes. And then as you flip it over and you use it on the other side, you can see the threaded holes, and these are pass-through holes. And then if you have a 4-bolt application, you just slip the bolts in from the other side, 180 degrees out of phase, and you thread them into the other threaded holes. I'm sure this is making perfect sense. The kit also includes paper template, so you can mark your drill holes on whatever you're trying to mount to a shaft. And so I hope that helps explain why they're configured the way they are. If you'd like custom hubs, send me an email with what you require, and I could probably fabricate them in a day, so there's no problems there. But basically, for most applications, it only requires two bolts, mounting bolts, and if you need more, if you need 4 mounting bolts for real strenuous applications, then they're mounted 180 degrees out of phase. So the important thing to realize is the spacers. Those are there for to provide convenience for tightening the set screws. Without them, the hole is the access hole is too close to the gear or flywheel, whatever you're trying to mount, and it's extremely difficult to to tighten up. So that's the reason for that. And here it is in a 4-bolt configuration. You can see that the 2 bolts are fed in from one side, and then if you need 4 bolts, they're fed in from 180 degrees out of phase. So there it is. There again, the reason for this configuration was to an attempt to make a standard part, and there you go. So it can be easily modified, and if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Thanks for your time and efforts. You have a great day. Cheers.